Today's video is going to be about how to create cheap yet beautiful and gorgeous accessories at home. Hey beautiful people, this is Saloni here, and Diwali is coming soon. I know we all are so excited, and there are so many girls out there who are wondering that I've got my dress and what matching accessories should I buy now. And whenever we go out into a shop, like, there are amazing accessories, but they are really so expensive. So how we can create cheap yet gorgeous accessories at home? So today's video is going to be so much of fun. I'm so excited for it. And we are going to use different materials, like we are going to use different sorts of lace, and we are going to use latkan. And you all might be wondering what we are going to use a latkan. Yes, we can create amazing accessories with the help of a latkan. You see, it's looking so amazing. So most of the girls out there, you might be having your old saris blouse with you which might have a latkan, or you have old dupattas which have beautiful latkans, and you can convert those latkans into amazing accessories, trust me. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video, so watch it to the end. And we are going to create amazing accessories which will match your Diwali outfits. So personally talking, for me, I actually don't have a lot of traditional dresses, so I had to go out to buy different sorts of latkan, and I got this one for 45 rupees. One is for 45 rupees, and the other one, which we are going to create a neck piece, that was somewhat for 50 rupees. Yeah, so we are going to create amazing accessories with all these little things, and how we can convert amazing accessories. So yeah, let's get started.
Alright, so I've brought 3 different types of latkans, and this one is a silver one, and silver and golden actually goes on every traditional wear. So the other one which I've brought is a black and golden latkan. This one is like so pretty. I mean, like, this is going to be so amazing. And this one is again a silver studded latkan. We are going to make a neck piece out of this. So with this one, we are going to make beautiful earring set. So I'm going to use this jump rings. Now we just have to open the jump rings, and then we have to put it inside the latkan. And after that, we are going to use ear wires. And with the help of a plier, we have to close the jump ring so that the ear wires doesn't come outside. And I'm going to put the link in description from where you can buy all these things, and we are going to do the second pair similarly. So I'll show you in a very closer view. So you have to put it inside like this, and we just have to close the ring. And yeah, our earring set is ready. So you can pair these silver very pretty earrings on any outfit. So this one is a different black and golden. So these latkans are really big for my face, so if you want, you can use studs. So this is like an Indian jugaad. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them inside like this. If you have any color studs, it will go perfectly with this thing, and you just have to wear it. Or if you love long earrings, you can put ear wires like this, and jump rings just we did previously, but my face is small, so I don't want long earrings. So instead of that, I'm going to do this jugaad, and I'm just going to use my studs. And yeah, this one is the third neck piece which we are going to make. So for this one, we are going to take a silver chain, and you just have to see how long neck piece do you want. I want a little bit shorter, so I'm going to use a plier and cut it according to my neck size. And now we are going to use the jump rings on both the sides. Now we'll just close the left hand side and with the help of a plier, and for the right hand side, we are going to again use a jump ring, and then we have to put a lobster clasp, and then you can just wear it in a very perfect way. Do you really think that this is a homemade jewelry? I mean, it looks so amazing when you wear it. Okay, so I'll put a very nice picture how it was looking on one of my outfit, and it was just looking so amazing. And now your neck piece is ready. All these jewelry DIYs are so easy. Anyone can make them, trust me. Okay, so I have this broken studded part of one of my jewelry which I'm going to recreate and make something new out of it. So I'm planning to do two earrings. Yeah, it was like this. So the jewelry was exactly like this. Alright, but now I'm going to recreate it in a very different way. So if you have things like this at your home, you can just recreate them and give a very different look. So with the help of a plier, I'm going to remove the jump rings from between, and with this I'm going to make a pair of earrings. So I'm just going to remove the jump rings like this. You have to use a plier properly to remove all the rings, and after that we have to use jump rings and your wires to make the earrings properly. So now we have two different pieces of the same studded jewelry, and now we are going to use a big jump ring, and we are just going to insert it like this in between. And after that we have to add the ear wires, and then we have to close it with the help of a plier. So now you just have to close the jump rings and your earrings are ready. So the one pair is ready, and for the second one we are going to do the same process. We have to add on the jump ring, and we just have to put the ear wires inside the jump rings. And yeah, our earring set is ready. You see how amazing this is looking? It looks like you've just bought a new piece. Now we are going to make a neck piece with this. I bought this black piece for somewhat 25 rupees, and now I'm going to convert it into a very beautiful neck piece. So now we are just going to add the jump rings at the very corner of this black piece. You have to just keep it open so that we can add the chain, and then after that you have to close the hoops. So now you have to take the size of your neck, like what sort of size do you want? Do you want this neck piece to be big or small? I want that it should be medium, so I'm going to put the chain inside the jump rings like this, and then I'm just going to close it with the help of a plier. So you have to follow the same step for the left side as well. So you just have to put the chain inside the jump rings, and then you have to close it. And after that, now again we need two jump rings. So at the very top part, okay, so you get a very big string like this of jump rings. So I'm just going to cut it with the help of a plier. But if you don't want to buy lots of jump rings, what you can do is you can just get one or two. It's up to you. And now we are going to add the jump rings at the top side of the piece, and then we have to add a lobster clasp, just we did previously in the silver studded neck piece. And now it's done. So I'm just going to stick a small stud in between to give it a very classy look. So I've bought different laces. With these also we can make different kind of chokers, and it's so easy, you know, it looks so wonderful, trust me. So you have to measure your neck, and then I'm just planning to make a choker out of this. So now we are going to put a jump ring, and we are going to close it. Now for the other side we are again going to put second jump ring, and now we also have to put a lobster clasp, and then we have to close the jump rings like this, the way I'm doing. Yeah, I'll just give you a closer look of how to do this exactly. So now we have just added the jump ring, and then I'm going to put the lobster clasp inside and then close the jump ring like this. So your choker is ready, and it is going to look amazing on traditional wear. It looks wonderful, trust me. You can make these easy jewelries at home, and it is so cheap. So now for our second choker, we need a velcro tape. So I'm just going to cut this velcro tape. So you have to cut it according to what size of choker you have to make. So I'm just going to measure it with my lace, and you get amazing different sort of lace. Now you see, when you cut a lace, all these small threads are coming out, you can see. Yeah, so what we have to do is you have to take Fevicol, and you just have to put it a little bit Fevicol. Firstly you have to cut the threads, and then put a little bit Fevicol, and then just, you know, apply it all over the thread, so that now it doesn't come out, it has been fixed. So now we have to add the velcro tape on both sides. First one, we have to add it on the front side of the choker. So you have to stitch it properly. It's like I'm just stitching it in a very random way, but you have to stitch it in a perfect way so that the velcro tape doesn't comes out. And I'm going to use a black thread for this, so I'm just going to stitch it. And for the second one, you have to measure the velcro tape in a very perfect size. You have to take the size of your neck. If you want a tight choker, then you have to take the perfect measurement, and then after that you just have to add the velcro tape on the front side. And for the second one, you have to add it on the back side, so back side of the lace. So now the one which we are doing is on the front side of the lace. You can see the golden lines over there. So I'm just going to stitch it, and then you have to tie a knot, and after that you just have to cut it with the help of a scissor. And we are almost done. You see how amazing and very easy jewelries we are making. I mean, literally anyone can make all these jewelries, and we go to shops and we have to pay so much for all these jewelries, but you can just get all these things so cheaply, and then you can make it by your own. It's like a DIY, and it's so much of fun to create something new. I just love it. This is the second side. So we have to put the velcro tape behind the choker. So I'm just going to stitch it. This is the easiest way of creating a choker, and you all can make it, trust me. And then you just have to cut it like this with the help of a scissor, and your choker is ready. If you want, you can also apply some studs.
If you enjoyed this video about how to create cheap and easy DIY jewelries, and it has been of any use, please hit that thumbs up button and do let me know in the comments below which accessories was your favorite. Also, do let us know where you are tuned it from, because it's always great to know. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified, because this year I am dedicated to make daily videos to make you inspired about how to create easy DIYs, how to make styling videos, how to create different outfits, and to make 2021 your best year ever. For now, bye bye, take care.